What's up everyone, and welcome to the video. So we are a few days away now for entering June, and that means that we've been in a bear market for a little bit over 6 months now. Times are tough. Price of all cryptocurrencies have crashed a lot. Most altcoins going down over 90%. It's been really tough times for everybody. There's not many new projects coming about because of the current market sentiment. You know, a lot of people are being hesitant about in entering into new investments, and a lot of developers and people who run projects are also very hesitant about making new projects because it's difficult for them to succeed in the current market sentiment. Now, we don't know how long this bear market is going to last. We don't know if there's any more downturn in the near future or what's going to happen. So today's video is actually going to be about how to make some passive income and how to earn some crypto money without actually having to put any effort in or make any changes to your everyday routine. And even though none of these methods are, going to make you a millionaire or going to make you a lot of money overnight, but it's just something that you can add into your everyday routine, and then maybe, who knows, in the next year or whenever next bull run is, it could add up to some nice income. So the first subject I want to talk about today is pre-search. So these guys are a search browser, so they're pretty much exactly the same as Google or DuckDuckGo or Bing or any other search browsers that you use, except for the differences with these guys is every time you search for something, you earn some crypto money. So when you first go onto the website in the top corner here, when you're not signed in, it will come up with an option to sign up and make an account, and that's what you want to go ahead and do. It's pretty straightforward. You're gonna obviously enter your email address, create a password and all that stuff, and then confirm your email. And once that's done, then your account's gonna be made, and you will be given an instant amount of their token. You'll be given 25 tokens in total, and then every time you search, say for example we want to search cars, type in cars, and then it'll come up with the results and stuff like that, and you can say okay, yeah, auto trade or whatever, and then from there you want to come back, and then you can see there in the top right that my balance has now gone up. I've now earned some crypto money just from doing a search in the search browser. Now, we all use Google or DuckDuckGo or whatever every single day to search for stuff. Now, if you just change your browser now and use pre-search instead, every time you make a search, some people spend a lot of time on Google, Googling different things. You can earn yourself some little passive income from doing that. Now, I'm not trying to say that pre-search is anywhere near the standard of Google. Sometimes, you might search something and you might not get what you're looking for, so obviously then it gives you an option here to then search for it on Google as well. But this is definitely something for those people who are maybe Googling at least 10 or 20 different things a day, maybe for your work or whatever. Then you can make yourself some nice passive crypto money just from using this website. And so we'll move over now into the next one. The next one goes into the actual browser that I'm using here. So I'm actually using a browser called Brave Browser. Now, for those of you guys that use Brave Browser, this interface is going to look familiar to you. And what I like about Brave Browser is that it's very crypto orientated. So it supports all different types of wallets. So you can import your MetaMask onto here. You can import your Nami wallet, and you can import your Phantom wallet for those guys that trade Cardano and Solana as well. And this is what I wanted to talk about here, the Brave rewards. So in a similar sense to pre-search, from using their web browser, they will pay you out in their token, BAT token. And how it works basically is, if we go into these reward settings here, as you can see here, they do Brave private ads. So what will happen is every now and again you will get an advertisement pop up in the top corner of your screen, and every time one of those comes up, you will earn the BAT token. Now, in order to receive these, you do have to set up your wallet with the Brave browser. So once you've imported your wallet, you need to then go to verify your wallet. So the way you do that is you click on here, and it's going to give you a choice of 2 different centralized exchanges. Now, you do have to create an account on one of these centralized exchanges and then link it with your Brave wallet. So you do that by just clicking continue. Here are the choices. You've got either the Uphold exchange or the Gemini exchange. You just then go onto their website, go through their account creation process, which you usually require, showing a form of ID or something like that. And then once it's created, you can then redo these steps, click on the unverified. Click on there. You can link your account, centralized exchange account, to your Brave account, and then you'll be able to then earn this revenue that you will earn just from these private ads popping up on your screen every now and again. Now again, these two methods, they don't take any effort. We all use, especially if you're someone like me who spends a lot of time on a computer all day, who's using a web browser anyway, changing your browser to Brave browser, which supports all different types of crypto wallets. Like I said, it's very crypto friendly. Just changing your browser to this browser, you can earn passive income in crypto, and then every time you need to make some sort of search using a search engine, then if you use pre-search, you can also earn yourself some other passive income. Like I said, it's a very small amount. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but who knows when the next crypto bull run's going to be. Maybe in a year's time, it might be 2024, like some people are predicting. So if you can earn yourself some nice passive income in crypto now, between now and then you never know how much that's going to add up to in a year or two's time. And so they're my two methods of earning some easy passive income without having to make any sort of effort or changes in your daily routine. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, guys. Subscribe if you want to listen to more content like this, and as always, until next time, bye.